Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see uh, Python programming. In that Python programming we'll see about the strings. First we should understand what is string definition. That is collection of characters. So it consisting of some text format. So it consisting of some characters. So it is represented using the quotes like single quote, double quote and triple quote for multiple line of strings. That is for triple, for multiple, and single and double. So what is the meaning of Unicode string is, so text in your own native language you can write, that is called as Unicode string. So we should use the prefix u or small u or capital U with the string, that is like this example. So we can use our own language. Next, how we can do for the formatting with respect to the alignment. So format of this type of function we should use for string formatting. So what is the syntax? Format. So it is having some value here, then format specifier. Suppose if you use the symbol like this, left justification, this is right and this is center alignment. So this is how we can do the string formatting in Python. Then operations, indexing. So what is the meaning of indexing? We'll understand here. Indexing means the subscript operators, that is inside the square bracket, it is used to assess index character. The value which is inside this is called the index of particular individual value. So index, what is the first character is always 0 and the last character is n minus 1. If this is the case, the total or the n number of character is present in that particular string. Example, if you take this Python in double quotes, so this write Python like 0, starting from 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many? 6 are there. What is the last? N minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. What is the first? This is 0 indexing. So like we will call it as 0, 0th indexing, first indexing, second, third, fourth and fifth, right? Then concatenation and appending we will see. Concatenation means joining the two strings. We are using this plus operator for the concatenation. For example, first underscore str, that is string, is equals to new in double quotes, it is the string. Second str is equal to Delhi, that is these two are there. Now we can do the concatenated operation with the help of this plus operator, that is first string concatenated with second string, that is joining these two, so it is called concatenation operation. So what is the meaning of appending? It is slightly different from the concatenation. Appending means we are adding the string at the end of another string. Okay, so the meaning of this, for this we will use the operator called as plus and equals. Then suppose example, f name, the first name is Sanjay in double quotes, last name is Kapoor in double quotes. So now I want to append this first string with the second string. So we are using this first name appending with the last name. So print this first name so that it is going to append here, so that I will get the output like this, Sanjay Kapoor without space. Okay, so that is what the appending and concatenation. So what is the meaning of slicing we will see. So it is used to return a range of characters from a string. So specify the starting of the index and ending of the index separated by the colon. If we look at the example, str equals to this in single quotes spider I have written, print string of 2 is to 5. So start index is 2, end index is 5. So first we'll write the spider and we'll index this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So output of this, what we are going to get is string, it is counting from second indexing to fifth indexing. So here it is second indexing is y, then d and e it is stopping. So here how we can do this? This 5 and 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So total in the output we will get 3 characters, and the second one is we should consider this second indexing, that is y, and look at this fifth indexing, don't consider this fifth indexing, so that you will get the 3 characters starting from the second indexing to the fourth indexing, 2, 3, 4, total 3 characters. Example 2, string spider print string. So look at this, only is to 4, that is colon is there here, that spider right here indexing. So here by default we can take here as 0 colon 4. So how many are there? 4 minus 0, total 4 characters we should get. So in that, first consider the 0th character, 0th indexing, that is S, then after that P, then after that Y, then after that D. Stop at D because don't consider the 4th indexing, so that you will be having total 4 characters S, P, Y, D. Okay. Then string method. So we will be having many methods here. Upper means to convert it to uppercase, and lower means string can be converted into lowercase. Ends with means return true if the string ends with specific value. So they will be giving a string at the end, at the last character of the string you should observe. If it is true, it is going to return. Split means we are going to split the string at the specified separator. Find means search the string for the specific value. Strip means that is returns the trimmed version of the string. Count means return the number of times a specified value occurs. So is alphanumeric means returns if all characters are alphanumeric. So you'll see here, the next part is we'll solve some one assignment, so that you will understand this string case. So we'll see this assignment about the strings. So how can a string be defined in Python? So I already told this, you can use the single quote, double quote, or the triple quote for the multiple strings. So all three are correct here, so answer all the above is the correct one. So what is the purpose of format function in Python? So what is the purpose of format? What is the purpose of doing formatting? Is doing the justification and alignment. So to format strings with specific alignment or the precision is the correct answer, right? So to convert string to uppercase is not, to find the substring of in a string is not, to replace the character in string is not. Then what is the index of the last character? What is the index of the last character in a string of length n? So if there are total n length of characters are there in a string, so what is the last character means n minus 1. That is what the example we have considered, spider. If we take this spider, so total how many characters are there? 6 characters are there. What is the last one? That is n minus 1, that is 5, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last character is 5. So that is what n minus 1 is the correct answer. What operator is used to concatenate two strings? Is easy, that is plus operator. Then what does plus equals operator is used with the strings? It appends. Then what will be the output of following code? So now we can observe this. So it is HELLO 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many characters are there? 5. What is the last character? 5 minus 1, that is 4, right? So but what is the asked one is text of 1, that is indexing is telling about the first indexing. So here we will be having like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the first indexing is telling about E? So the correct answer is E, right? Then what will be the output of following code? Spider. So here I will write it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it is, we should consider the first index, that is P, then after that Y, after that D. Then look at this, for Y second index, for D third index, right? So we should stop at third index, so don't consider the fourth index. So the correct answer is P by D, right? So for this one hint also we can write like this. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Total number of characters should be 3. So out of that the first index is P, right? So 0, 1. So first index is P. So this is the correct one. Next, 8th one, what does the upper method do in the Python? So it is going to convert into upper string. So second is the correct answer. Then what will be the output of following code? So it is about the split function, split method. So this is what the text is given. So they are asking about text to split. So it is splitting like Python as one string, programming as another string. So the correct answer is Second one, Python comma programming. What will be the output of following code? Hello world. So it is the another method in the Python. String ends with. So check for here whether the above text is ends with this. If it is the case, we should write it as true. So it is true because it is ending with exclamatory, right? If it is not ending with that, so assume that this is not given, only hello world is given, at that time it is false. So like this you should answer for the strings in the Python. Thank you. Stay tuned to this channel. Click on the bell icon for the latest notifications.